Hi, I'm Walter Alcorn, Hunter Mill District Supervisor. But more importantly, I've been a father for more than 20 years. It's the most important job I've ever held, and I take my responsibilities as a father to my son and daughter very seriously. I also realize that my wife and I have been blessed to have the opportunity to provide a stable and nurturing environment for both of our children. Not everyone in the county is that fortunate. I applaud the efforts of our human services agencies to help fathers stay connected with their families by teaching critical parenting skills and also economic self-sufficiency. Therefore, I'm honored to provide this proclamation on behalf of the Board of Supervisors. Whereas, research demonstrates that children who have involved fathers are more likely to be emotionally secure, confident, and to explore their surroundings and have better social connections as they grow older. And whereas, with fathers actively engaged, children are less vulnerable to the risks of childhood poverty, mental illness, juvenile delinquency, youth sexual activity, teenage pregnancy, substance abuse, and failure to complete high school. And whereas involvement of fathers in the lives of their children increases the likelihood of success in social skills, academic performance, adult careers, employment goals, and involved parenting skills for their future families. And whereas programs in Fairfax County to help fathers gain parenting skills and economic self-sufficiency include Healthy Families Fairfax, the Head Start Policy Council, the Father Engagement and Parent Education programs in collaboration with Neighborhood and Community Services, and additional county and community-based agencies. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim June 2020 as Fatherhood Awareness Month in Fairfax County to raise public awareness of the importance of fatherhood and the importance of a father's engagement with his children and family. Thank you.
Greetings, Chairman McKay, Supervisor Alcorn, and members of the Board of Supervisors. I'm truly honored and humbled to be here before you, accepting the proclamation designating June as Fatherhood Awareness Month. My name is Yusuf Sadeghi. I'm a proud father of two precious young children. Daddy's little girl, Layla, is 8, and my boy Kareem is 6. I recall countless times engaged in activity with Layla and Kareem and stopped a beat to cement the moment and cherish the blessings. I do realize that they will continue to mature and eventually become young adults. I believe that it is dedication to ethical upbringing, nurturing, and most importantly, love that render these young adults into thriving, productive members of society. The acquisition of knowledge is from the cradle to the grave. Oft repeated by Prophet Muhammad has been my personal creed. Navigating through a turbulent separation, I was aware that I had to be strong for the kids. However, it was challenging going it alone. Thus, I sought a support group to further reinforce my fatherly role and found the Dad's Parenting Group. I registered and completed 2 12-week Dad's Parenting Group sessions. First in the winter of 2019, followed by a session in spring of 2020. The significance of the groups inspired me to continue participation as a volunteer in the following semesters. I'm heartened by the outreach and enthusiasm of the Father's Engagement team. Benny Haran, Mercedes Alonso, Calvin Roberts, under the supervision of Japana Bernard, all have touched the lives of many fathers, especially mine. As the sessions progress, group members encourage the fathers to revert to deep and critical thinking. Each class began with the importance of self-care. Benny's comic relief, Mercedes' an endless insight, and Calvin's limitless wisdom fostered a safe area that allowed the dads to be candid. Dads were given insight in how to apply the right tool to the right job. Near end of the semester, Calvin emphasized that if we were lucky, and when our kids are all grown up, they'll present us with a report card. This closing sentiment really resonated with me. It empowered me to seize the moment and do it right the first time. Now, fortunately, society has led to a paradigm shift. Acceptance of the male parental figure. Today's father now plays a leading role in raising his children. echoing the sentiments of Chairman McKay when he also proclaimed that, as men, we should be stepping up to the plate, playing the role in a very important way. I will leave you with a poem by the 13th century Iranian poet Sadi, inscribed on the United Nations entrance. The sons of Adam are limbs of each other, having been created of one essence. When the calamity of time affects one limb, the other limbs cannot remain at rest. If you have no sympathy for the troubles of others, you are unworthy to be called by the name of a human. Thank you for this honor. Thank you for your time.